Hey loves, you're welcome to Styles by Gat. In today's video, we are going to be using Brazilian wool to make Yankee twist or Yankee crochet twist. Okay, if you are in Nigeria, you know that this is not easily available and it will be so expensive. So I think this video is going to be of help to as many as possible that will need it. Okay, so we'll be using broom to coil the Brazilian wool. And again, please, the Brazilian wool you will buy for this style shouldn't be just anyhow Brazilian wool. I'm not saying it is not easily available, but when you go to your local market to purchase the Brazilian wool for this style or for this tutorial, make sure it's the shiny Brazilian wool that you are buying. Okay, with that being said, okay, you can see the way I am using the broom right now to coil the Brazilian wool. First of all, I made sure that at each tips of the wool, one was longer than the rest to aid me tying or securing the end of my coil so it won't unravel. Okay, so like I was saying, in case you didn't get what I was really saying, I said it is the shiny Brazilian wool that you will get. The shiny Brazilian wool, it might be of another brand, but the brand I'm using right now is Zek Brazilian wool. It might be another brand in your own local market, but I'm very sure when you visit the market, you will see the shiny Brazilian wool to buy. This is not the wool that looks like attachment. This is your regular Brazilian wool that is easily available and affordable. So I'll have to lay this here. Don't use straw to do this course because it won't work. Okay, we need a very tiny coil so you what you're looking for will come out. I'm sorry if my voice is low or sounding somehow. This is not the best of the night for me. Okay, all right, you can see that I use those longer ones among them to tie the tips, and this is what I've done so far. This is very easy. You only look at it that it is not easy. It is easy. Okay, so I'll dip it inside hot water, and when I'm done dipping inside hot water, I'm not going to allow it to dry before I start unraveling. And when I still want to use it again, in case they dry up, I'll dip them inside hot water again because I don't want them to scatter. But today, while I was doing this, I used a scattered Brazilian wool to make the twist. That is the Yankee twist, and it came out really finer than the previous one I was telling you not to scatter. But I'm yet to make my mind up on the one I really want. I think I want the one that is not scattered. Why? Because this is Brazilian wool. I don't like the scattered look. Let me just be sincere there. Okay, I'm unraveling them right now. And guys, this is what the coils look like. You can go ahead and crochet this into your hair. Use this to make any style of your choice. If you scroll through my channel, you will see the styles I've made with this Brazilian that I call it. I substitute them for almost every style. Okay, all right, this is what we have done so far. I'm going to show you how I did them. So with this tutorial, I'm just going to be using one piece of Brazilian wool, one piece of Brazilian wool. So this is economical again. Brazilian wool is economical. Then this style is economical inside the Brazilian wool. Okay, so it's just from Brazilian wool you will be needing for this style. And while I was doing this again, it came to my mind that those micro twists that people do, it's micro twist. This is the perfect extension for it, because this brings out what we see in the picture. You will see a very fine picture, and in this country, Nigeria, for you to get the extension for it is so hard. I think this is the perfect extension to do that micro twist as well. So maybe we'll have that tutorial on a person's head or hair, I don't know, but I just thought to share. All right, I'll be using just one strand of Brazilian wool to make this. So when you are done with this process, it might look time consuming, but I promise you this is not time consuming. If you have the patience, like 3 hours, you can do this. 3 hours. Remember, when you go to the salon, you spend sometimes 6 hours. Okay, so at this point, I would like to put it in your mind to like this video. That will help in this channel ads. So like this video. This is a lot of effort I'm putting into this work, so it will be unfair if you watch and do not like, and you actually like the video. Like the video, please. Some of you comment without liking. I would like to tell you that when you like the video, it will help my channel ads. So that is why you need to like the video. Okay, you're telling YouTube that this video is good and it need to push it out to other people. So I will say, please like my video. All right, so you will use one strand throughout. And looking at it, you will not notice that this is one strand of Brazilian wool. You can't even tell the extension. This is how good this is. So I need that, like, press it. Okay guys, so when you are done with all this process, you can go ahead and crochet it into your hair, or you can go ahead and use just the way I unraveled it that time to make your mini micro twist, please, and thank me later. All right, you can go ahead, crochet this into your hair. All right, I love you guys. Thank you for clicking on my video. Please come back another time. This is what we have, and this is so beautiful. Bye.